Hey, this is Allison from Mahalo Math. Welcome to our SAT Prep series. We're going to be working some problems, and working with me today is Chrissy and Trevor. So let's get started. So let's take a look at question number 12. We have this diagram here of a rectangle on the x and y axes. And the question is, what is the area of rectangle OABC in the figure above? So Chrissy, what do you think? Do you have any ideas?
Well, let's see. The question is, what is the area of rectangle? First thing I notice is the B parentheses 4.3 parentheses.
Okay.
And that kind of throws me off. Is that, I mean, looking at it like,
why is it there?
Why is it there?
You know,
sort of?
all it is,
look based off the answers.
the 4,3 is just the position of point B. It means that you go 4 units in the x direction, and then you go 3 units in the y direction, and when you do that, you arrive at point B. So it's just telling you the location. The same way the 4,0 is telling you the location of point C, and the 0,3 is telling you the location of point A. And the reason that they're doing that is to give you some indication of the size of this rectangle. So let's start with, we have to find the area of the rectangle. So what's the formula for the area of a rectangle? It's actually given to you on the formula sheet that comes with the test.
Would I need to multiply the 3 and the 4?
Yeah, so what is the formula for the area of a rectangle? Let's just start there. The area is what?
Let's see. Okay, I don't know what this bottom, honestly.
Yeah, that's it. It's just the area is equal to the length times the width. It just means, you know, one dimension of the triangle, the distance across the bottom, times the other dimension of the triangle, the distance up to the top. So in this case, yeah, you're right. It doesn't really matter which one you call the length and which one you call the width. You know, it'll have 4 sides. 2 of them will be one length and 2 of them will be another length. So it doesn't matter. So in this case, what do you want to call the length? What distance are we going to call the length?
Between the x and the y?
Yeah, doesn't
X.
Okay, so we want to consider going from the origin to point C to be the length, right? Mm-hmm. So how many units is that?
4.
Okay, and then the width we're going to call going from the origin to point A. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Okay, and then how many units is that?
3.
Okay, and what is 4 times 3?
7. Or I'm sorry, 12.
It is 12. Is 12 one of our possible answers?
Yes, it is.
Well, yes, it is.
So they put a 7 in there also.
They put a 7 in there because it's an easy mistake to add them instead of multiplying them. Right. So that's always something to watch out for. The reason some of those wrong answers are there is because it's something a lot of people will do. It's easy to do. Everybody does it. But that's exactly right. All you have to do is find the length of one side, the length of the other, multiply them together, and you have the area. Good for you.
Awesome.
Excellent. Thanks for learning with us today. If you'd like any more information on these topics, click on the links below. And if you have a specific request, please send it to requests@mahalodotcom. We'll see you later.